Hi everyone, I am Mohit and you're watching ATM All Things Mohit. If this is your first time here or if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button now. Today I have with me the Sonos Subwoofer Gen 3. In case you have already seen my previous video of unboxing the Arc, you know I highly recommend you getting this. And in case you have not, I'll post a link so that you can go check that out. So let's get to the unboxing of this one. As you can see, this is a huge unit. I like Sonos packaging as well. It's pretty similar to what you get with Apple. Easy peel off sticker. Then let me just lift it up. And it does say it is heavy, so I might need yeah, okay. What I would do is I would lay it flat so it's easier for me to slide it out rather than lifting it up. Let me see if I'm doing it the right way. Yeah. Oh, a bit of a thud, but hopefully I did not break anything. And then let me just get up again or just try to slide it out. Maybe I went about this the wrong way, but I've committed to it. So yes, easy enough. Nothing else in the box, so I'll keep it on the side. I'll lift it up. Just like the Arc, this one also has a nice packaging, that cloth that it comes in. I had kept some accessories here, so I'll first unbox the accessories to see what all is inside the box. Again, welcome, let's get started book, just like the Arc. A cleaning cloth, this would be handy. While I was just installing the Arc, I could see it is getting fingerprints all over it. I tried to clean it with a wipe. It got the paper stuck on it, so I think this would come in really handy. What else? This is the power cable and really not much else. So I'll just keep everything on the side. And let's get to unwrapping this subwoofer. So I'll peel off the sticker here and uncover this beautiful subwoofer. I'll just take it out of the cloth as well. If you've seen the second generation subwoofer, this one looks to be pretty similar to that one. The shape is pretty similar. The one change that I see Sonos has made, if you can see the button here, it is round. In the Gen 2 it is square. This is to sync with your devices on your network. And then what else? It has these subwoofers in the middle. This design is really unique to Sonos. They call them portable woofers, so that gives them space to move around. And let me just tilt it and show you what's underneath. So you can see it is pretty straightforward. There's one port for power and one for Ethernet. Nothing fancy going on here. This would wirelessly connect with your Arc, so there are no need for other ports. Internally, the sub employs two Class D amplifiers that position dual force cancelling drivers positioned face to face. The sub can dip down to 25 Hz and its highest crossover frequency is 110 Hz. You'll want to make sure that at least one face of the sub isn't too close to a wall or otherwise obstructed. So this sub comes in two colors, as you can see, the glossy black or white. I went with the black one because I got the black Arc and that generally overall matches my home. So this was the unboxing and overview of the Sub Gen 3. I hope you liked it. Do check it out if you have the Sonos Arc because I highly recommend it. I would try to sample some music paired with the subwoofer. Videos are not the best way to sample music on YouTube, but let's see how it goes. Hope you like this video. Do subscribe in order to see more content. I would look forward to your comments. Thanks for watching.